If you are craving something flavorful, crispy, and also keto-friendly, these healthy baked drumsticks are packed with spices and baked to perfection. Let's get started. Start by making a few cuts through the drumsticks. This helps the marinade soak in, making them extra flavorful. Once done, transfer them into a large mixing bowl, then let's prepare the marinade. In a separate bowl, add half teaspoon Himalayan salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Give it a good mix until all the flavors are blended together. Now, pour this flavorful marinade over the drumsticks and massage them well to ensure every piece is coated perfectly. Place the drumsticks on a baking pan, making sure they're evenly spaced for a crispy texture. Pop them into a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit and let them bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Look at that! Perfectly baked, crispy, and packed with flavor. Serve them hot and enjoy these keto-friendly low-carb drumsticks with your favorite side. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious keto-friendly meals, and let me know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.